Onions are a plant from the allium family that is most widely cultivated worldwide. Because of their distinctive taste, onions are often used as a spice in cooking. California is one of the countries with the largest onion production in the world. In this video, Technologia will invite you to see the largest onion farm in California. Unlike garlic, which can be propagated through its cloves, onions are propagated through its seeds. This is the appearance of onion seeds you may have never seen before. After the farmer has finished harvesting the onions, the farmer needs to leave the field for about 2 weeks. Then, the farmer will test the soil's suitability, to see whether it can be replanted with the same variety, or must be replaced with a different type of vegetable. This decision is based on the results of laboratory tests of soil conditions, and the nutrients contained in the soil. After the laboratory results, the farmer will prepare for planting onions. Farmers will use this tractor to plow land. The purpose of plowing is to reverse the soil structure. So, new plants can get nutrients, and roots can develop underground more easily. Meanwhile, the farmer uses a harvesting tractor to harvest onion seeds in the nursery field. This flower, which is similar to the dandelion, is an onion flower that holds hundreds of seeds per flower. These seeds will then be spread in fields that have been previously plowed. The next stage is planting onion seeds. Farmers will grow with the help of this special tractor planter. Farmers need 15 to 20 days to complete all managed fields. In one go, this planting tractor can plant 15 rows at once, with a distance of 12 centimeters for each plant. These seeds will be inserted into the soil, to a depth of around 1 to 2 centimeters. Depending on the type of land being worked, this planting tractor can cover 40 hectares in one day. After 2 weeks, the farmer will install an irrigation system, using this tractor. Large pipes, used as the main irrigation lines, will be placed in every field corner. Then, this tractor will spread small hoses, connected to the main irrigation system as a water source. To care for onions during their development period, farmers will apply 3 fungicides and 2 insecticides. Farmers will also spray herbicides, using spraying tractors, or hoses across the land. Spraying this herbicide is only done if the onion plants already have a layer of wax, plant cuticle, to protect themselves from certain herbicides, and the hot sun. Once the plants are ready to harvest, the farmer sends a lawn mowing tractor, which cuts the onion stems from the base, leaving only the onion bulbs. This cutting aims to open access to the land before harvesting. After 1 week, the farmer will carry out the actual harvest. First, the rake tractor will uproot and lift the onions from the ground, and place them on the side of the field. Then, it will be followed by a harvester, and transport tractors ready to pick up, and collect onion bulbs, throughout the fields. This harvesting tractor, not only picks, and collects the onions, but also cleans the remaining outer skin, and soil still attached to the wind. Next, the onions are taken to the factory, to be cleaned, and packaged. These onions will go through several stages of sorting, and packing. Next, these onions will be ready to be distributed to consumers worldwide.